A vehicle bearing number NL-02Q-8170 loaded with cannabis seeds while being smuggled out of the state in a container vehicle. The driver fled before checking the vehicle. Over 637 kg of ganja in 91 packets was recovered from a secret cabin on the top of the vehicle.
It is learned that an empty container vehicle bearing number NL-02Q-8170 from Agartala to Guwahati crossed the Tripura border and Naka point of Churaibari police was post on the Assam-Tripura border, and the Assam police intercepted the vehicle for search around 9 a.m. on Saturday. As soon as the car was seized, the driver ran away. The Assam police suspected this. Assam police immediately searched the car. During this search operation, 637 kg of weed in 91 packets was recovered from the secret cabin on top of the vehicle. The police in charge Pranab Mili said that the black market value of recovered weed is about ₹64 lakh.
Churaibari watch post tate ami a truck detain koru Nagaland registered truck tate 637 kilos of suspected cannabis ganja ami pao tar mane market value of around 3.18 crores. আমি গাড়িটো ডিটেইন কৰাৰ সময়তে যে ড্ৰাইভাৰ থাকে আৰু আন্ধাৰৰ সুযোগ লৈ পলাইছে। আমি এতিয়া ইনভেষ্টিগেশ্যন চলি আছে আমাৰ এইটো মানে কোৰ্ট মানে কোন ফালে গৈছে আৰু কেনেকৈ কোন কোৰ্ট মানে লোডিং কৰিছিলে কোৰ্ট লৈ গৈছিলে আমি ইনভেষ্টিগেট কৰি আছোঁ। এইটো কেছ ৰেজিষ্টাৰ কৰা হৈছে।
The local police are investigating the incident to find out who else are involved in this case. Bureau report, Chini Khorang.